If you are in your 40s, 30s, or even 20s, and you probably think you don't have to worry about health problems such as stroke, colon cancer, cardiac arrest yet, then think twice. Hey everyone, I am Dr. Talut and welcome to The OT. With the epidemic of obesity and sedentary lifestyles, we are seeing a rise in risk factors like high cholesterol, smoking, and high blood pressure in younger adults. But it's important to know that these risk factors are largely preventable. Protect yourself from conditions increasingly affecting younger people. Here's what you need to know. High blood pressure. When your blood pumps too forcefully through your veins, is often called a silent killer. That's because most people who have it don't have symptoms, even though the disorder is damaging the heart, kidney, blood vessels, and brain. 5 out of 10 people of 20s have high blood pressure. If left untreated, high blood pressure can result in heart disease later in life and is the leading cause of stroke. In fact, just keeping your blood pressure in check reduces the risk of stroke by 40%. Type 2 diabetes. You could have diabetes and not even know it. That's the case for an estimated 3.1 million people in India who likely don't know that they have the disease because they haven't noticed any symptoms. Obesity is a leading risk factor for diabetes. Younger generation, even children, have much higher rate of obesity than ever before. Because of that, it is on the rise. It's crucial and need to be screened regularly. By adapting a healthy lifestyle and diet, you can reduce chances of obesity and diabetes, including daily physical workout in your routine. Stroke. While the majority of strokes occur in people over the age of 65, a recent study found a 32% spike in stroke among women ages 18 to 34. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death, yet people generally associate it with an elder, aging population. Here are 5 reasons why heart disease can strike by the age of 50 or even 40. One of the biggest risk factors is smoking, pregnancy complications, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, depression. If you are depressed, it affects your lifestyle. You don't eat, so your diet is bad. You don't exercise, you don't sleep well, and you don't socialize. If mental health is not good, you're not going to take good care of yourself. And we know that cases of depression are increasing day by day, especially in younger adults. Decreased energy or tiredness, unable to concentrate or focus, diminished self-esteem, thoughts of guilt or unworthiness, thought of self-harm or suicide, difficulty in sleeping, loss of appetite or stomach indigestion, lower pain threshold along with increased back pain, aches and even headaches. What can you do if you are depressed? Find emotional support, participate in a hobby, make healthy habits, take a nap, spend time outside, avoid technology before bedtime, exercise regularly, have a healthy diet. If you are able to reach middle age with low cholesterol, ideal blood pressure and optimal weight, not smoking and not diabetic, you will be less likely to ever develop these conditions we are talking about. American Heart Association recommended 7 habits to create a healthier future for yourself. Keep your blood pressure in check. Control your cholesterol. Reduce your blood sugar. Increase your daily activity. Eat a healthy diet. Stay within a healthy weight. Quit smoking. That's all for today. I hope you found this video useful. I wish you a very healthy life.